Okay, this is for the weekly product performance sheet. First thing you do is you open up the combined product performance, let that load. Then for the product, I'm going to use this as an example. First thing you're going to do is make a copy of the most recent one. And then go ahead and open that up. While that's loading, you can go over to Seller Central, hit your orders, manage orders. Now go right here to advanced search. Now on the products, you're either going to pull up this SKU or the ASIN. And we're doing it weekly right now. So we're going to go from yesterday's date. Don't do today's, always do yesterday so you have a full day. So from the 24th up to the 18th. So we're looking at 182. That's going to be 1 week's worth. Now the sheet currently is set up to be 30 days. So we're going to divide that by 7. We got the daily amount divided by 30, get the monthly. It's 780. Now at the monthly units, we're going to put that right there. You can see right here where the arrow's at is where the input data is going to be needed. Where the input data is going to be needed. Everything where there's not an arrow is pretty much a formula and it's automatically going to be calculated. Everything up here you don't need to worry about weekly. You're going to input that. Now once you're here and you've updated the order quantity, you're going to come here. You're going to go to the actual product page. You're going to see the current price. Update that. For the FBA fees, if you copy the ASIN, which you can find right here, is this number. And then just type in FBA calculator on Google and you'll find it. Should be the first thing. Paste the ASIN in there. And now we're going to use the new one, which will take place here in 1 week. Put the current price. Calculate it. Now the number we want is the cost subtotal, which is right here, 806. Update that. Now you'll see the rest comes into place automatically. Bam, bam, bam. The next thing you need to do is update the reviews. So if you go down to the product performance or the product information or details, you're going to see there's 32 at an average of 4.9. And then the main category is office products and it's ranked 2300. The lead time should already be filled out or we'll give you that information. The current inventory. Now you're going to need to update that. So in order to get that, go back to Seller Central, go to Inventory, Manage Inventory. Type in one of the main keywords of the product. Make sure that you're looking at the used one because we have sometimes we have used units also. So make sure it's new, get the available quantity, type that in, and here we go. The rest, it's all updated. And then here's the date. We're gonna have you give that to us in a report too weekly. So it'll just say sharpener and then the date right here. And now update today's date here. And also update today's date up here in the title. And you can delete where it says copy. Now you're done with this sheet. What you're gonna do is hit this up in the corner. It's gonna it's gonna select the whole thing. You copy it. Now come over to that combined products performance. Take a note of this number, 582. Now find this SKU down here. Select that. If there's not one yet, if you're working on a new product, just hit the plus and input the SKU as the name. Now do the same thing. Select the whole thing, and now you can just paste. And it'll update it. Let's see. It takes a minute. It's going slow because I'm recording a video. Here it goes. Halfway in there. You should see everything should be up to date, should have the new date. Now if you go back to totals, that number was 582 to make sure everything's proper, which actually doesn't look right. This should automatically be taken care of. If it isn't, and you add a new sheet, all you have to do is hit plus. Now the SKU number of the sheet, so EPS 500, you're gonna put an exclamation point and then find where the daily profit is, right here. And typically it's in B19, which this one is in too. So we can come back here and hit B19. There we go. And now it's all updated. And that's it. Perfect.